Howdy ho, bitches. Happy February. Just doing a pork shoulder today. Just got her on. The rub we're using today is La Familia. Chilly out, -10. Yeah. Nice. Fair bit of snow. Right? RTFO mofos. Woo! Alright. It's been about an hour. And our meat's up to 80, I guess. I got the pit set at 250. 250. Nice. Woo! RTFO mofos. Alright, bitches. Hey. This one on the pit, bitch, at 1 p.m. Hey, it's crooked. 10 p.m. I took it off just after 8:30. So it's been resting. So let's cheers, big ears. Okay, I'm gonna make this short. This is not how to. This is what the fuck I'm doing. 2nd of February, 2021. Hey, cheers, big ears. But there's gonna be more involved. Hey, and this is an experiment video too. I'm testing something. Ain't telling you what, but I'm testing something. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Can't say I'm a fan of it right now, but yeah, I'm testing it. Okay, let's open this foil. Pardon my arm and maybe my elbow for elbow boy. Uh-oh. Shit. I'm dripping grease and shit everywhere. Son of a bitch. Ooh! I'm gonna make some gravy. Nice! Fuck yeah. Look at that. Where's the paper towel? Fuck me. Oh, it smells so fucking gorgeous. Holy shit. Wow. I gotta clean this shit up. I don't like having a mess. Right on the fucking part of the tripod too, eh? Oh my god. That's gonna be some beautiful fucking gravy. Hello. Oh yeah. Oh fuck me. Oh, it's awesome. Okay. Give me a minute. I gonna get rid of this fucking foil and scoop the juice. Woohoo! Hey, buddy, scoop the juice. Take it easy. All right, I'm gonna scoop the juice. Woo! And I'll put that on the tray. Fuck yeah. Hey, now all of a sudden I'm happy I'm filming this. I say, why the fuck am I gonna film this? Scoop the juice! Woohoo! And none of you people know what that means, but someone does. Fuck yeah. That's, oh fuck, I slay me. Oh, fuck yeah. I'm glad I'm high. Pause. Alright, bitches. Here we go. I'm gonna rip this apart. I just want to show you what it looks like. It smells awesome. It looks beautiful. Cheers, biggers. Like, this is not meant to be well, it's not a cooking video. It's a drunk supper video. That's what this is. This is a drunk supper. And I'm high as fuck, too. Alright. So I'm going to start ripping into this. Of course, I'm going to taste some. But I'm only going to show the first couple of seconds of it. Then you'll be gone. You'll be back when I make what I'm gonna eat. What am I gonna eat? Mashed potatoes and this. With some barbecue sauce, I think. Alright. Fuck, I don't know. I'm so high. Fuck me. Cheers, big ears. Woohoo! RTFO, mofos! Alright, let's rip into this. Oh, fuck. Look at that, eh? Oh, my God. Doesn't that look beautiful? Holy shit on a stick. Okay, I'm going to put you over here. Oh, my God. Well, that's a bit of fat. Don't worry, we're going to save you. Look at that skin. Well, fat. That's fat too. Okay. That's fat and meat. That's mostly fat. Here's meat. Let's try this out. Come on, look at that, eh? Look how fucking juicy that is too, eh? Isn't that fucking beautiful? Oh my fuck. Woo! That is gorgeous. We're gonna need some fucking mustard and cheese and oh yeah. Alright. Oh my God. Good. I'm gonna have the vacuum sealer out tomorrow. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Look at it, bitches. Look. Look how it slides off the bone like that, eh? See that? Fuck me. Guess what? A drunk cooking channel. Who would imagine such a thing? Drunks don't know how to cook anything. All they know how to do is open a box or freezer dinner and fucking microwave it. Yeah? How about that, bitches? Fuck me. That's, you know what they say in fucking Canada? That's fucking beauty, eh? I'm gonna eat that too. Fuck me. Look at that. And the fat just slides away. Look how juicy that is, eh? You see that? You see how fucking juicy that is? Fuck. Fucking bastard kind of knows what he's doing. Okay. I'm going to rip this apart. And we're coming back. Not like a monkey on crack. We don't need crack monkeys. Oh my God. Look at that. So gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just falls right apart. Bitch did a great job tonight. Tell you fucking what. The best bang for your buck, if you want to buy a fucking pellet grill, go buy a fucking Pit Boss. 700 FB or higher. Don't get a model lower than that. Fuck yeah, I want meat in that. Fuck me. Alright, I was gonna, I intended this to be a very short video. Guess what? I have yet to put in a short video with food. Ain't happening. Here, this is some kind of fat. That can go here. Let's get bony. Alright, bitches. You go there. Where's that in my paper? There it is. I will come back momentarily. Reaver, there's your roll. Take it easy. Alright, bitches. I still have a little bit here. I'm saving this for something else. That's going in its own bag. This is going to go in a few bags. Well, it's going to go in one bag tonight because I'm not vacuum sealing it tonight. But we'll split it up, vacuum seal it, and that's going for something else. That's the wastage right there. Oh, it's fucking beautiful. Look at that. It's fucking great. Okay. I put a plate together, and I'll be back in a couple minutes. Fuck me. Woo! RTFO, mofos. That's fucking beautiful. This was in the freezer for a year. Vacuum sealed though. 1 year. Fucking beautiful. Alright, bitches. I got some potatoes with some butter. I got some salt. Sea salt. We got a little bit of pepper. And for the meat, we got some Kettle Boys original barbecue sauce from Alberta, Canada. It's expensive as fuck, but it's pretty fucking tasty. So, come out, sauce. Come out, come out. You're like that fucking ketchup bottle. Look out. This is good shit. Yeah. Good enough. Get back in there. Bitchy. There you go. Alright, let's try this out. There was something else I wanted to have here, but I don't remember what it is, so I don't give a fuck. See? The power of drugs. It's the power of drugs. See, Huey Lewis, he knew it. He wanted a new drug. Tasty. Like it. With meat and barbecue sauce. Oh, fuck me. That's fucking great. Wow. Like I said, I wasn't planning on making a video like this, because I got a ton of pork shoulder videos. It's just what I was doing today. Potato. Meat and potato, man. No veggie tonight. Fuck yeah. I'm fucking high too, eh? Come on. I'm gonna finish eating this, then I'm going to come up with some kind of dessert, but I'm not filming that. Filming is a pain in the balls. Hey, fuck right off, cotton cockhole. Paper towel. Son of a bitch, eh? Fucking bastard. Alright. At this time. No, I'm not doing it today. Don't have one. I wish I did. Alright, cheers, big ears. Woo! Until the next one. This is a drunk supper video. I'm drunk. And high. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Take it easy. Piano, piano. Arrivederci Roma. All that shit. Keep your stick on the ice, motherfuckers.